well visuals and sound. So I love the immersion of like being in that situation, like being in the room there.
Really awesome. It was cool to see such different visuals with the different types of sound.
The invisible headphones over my head and whisper, I'm still here, even when I forget you ever were.
Which weapons to wield. It's been a losing battle between myself and I
know the potholes of the inner west like the cracks in your skin, in your inner chest.
I think it's really cool. I think the setup is actually quite grounding. You just feel really like it's a safe space. It was actually pretty good. Like I actually really enjoyed it. Seeing different how different artists represent themselves.